there! In today's video, I'll show you how to send messages right from your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to click on this digital crown to open app list, and then scroll down until you'll find an app which is named Messages. Here is it. Click on it, and as a next step, we would need to choose a contact that we would like to text with. For example, I will pick this one. And here we have 3 options how to start texting. The first one is emojis. By clicking on this first button, you can see the list of emojis that you are able to send. If you would like to go back, simply click on this white cross on the right edge. The second option is voice typing or voice messages. Let me show you how it looks. By clicking on this microphone icon, you have 2 options, which is voice messages, which is recording of your voice that the person who are you texting to will be able to listen, or voice to text, which will listen the things that you are saying and translate them to the text on your watch. We can test it by clicking on this voice to text, and you can see that it's translating it immediately to the text. After you are done talking, click on this confirm button right here, and it will stop. As a next thing that we have here is a keyboard, a classic keyboard on your watch. Here is it how it looks. You can type anything and also use T9. Then let's delete it and go back. Here we also got a fast responses in which you can find some basic things that you can respond to the person that you are talking to. And to send a message, we would need to type something and then click on this send button, which you can see here on the right edge. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.